Hello and welcome to another tutorial of the Self-Action AI Kit, and in this video we're going to talk about the hostile state. So, okay, I'm sorry. So, we're going to talk about the hostile state, and the hostile state is really simple. The AI sees us and goes hostile. Let me remove something real quick. Okay, so basically, when the eye sees us, it goes hostile, it starts shooting at us, it starts strafing, and we can change a lot of things in their setup and their behavior. For example, the first option we're going to talk about is strafing. Now, for a second, I'm going to disable the sounds of this AI because I want to show the strafing. So when the AI goes hostile and is in range of the player, we'll start strafing left and right randomly. It would choose where to strafe. So if it goes against a wall, it will turn in the opposite direction. In this case, there is no wall, so it's just strafing randomly where he pleases. And you can set up the strafing delays if you want, the length of the strafe, and if it can strafe. If you disable the strafing, the AI will just run to you. So we got another option, and this is something I need feedback on because some people like it the way it is, some people don't. Personally, since I'm using this AI on my own indie project, I never use call for help. I rather use area trigger, and we're gonna talk about it later. Call for help, it's really simple. You activate it, you set the range of the sphere that the AI has to trace, and if I go out of sight and then I go back, it will alert the other AI as well. The problem with this is that if you are building a level on multiple levels and the AI sees you and you go back and forth and then it sends an alert in a radius, it will alert the AIs on all levels. This is why I like to use the area trigger, and now I'm gonna put it on. The area trigger is this box over here, and you can find it in your content as soon as you write area. And this is the area trigger. You place it on the level, you can scale it the way you want, and you can have all the AIs overlapping this box go hostile. So you need to pick one AI that is assigned to the box. Let's say this AI is a sniper, okay? And it's standing over here and it's looking and scouting at the area. And you are the player, you're navigating the area. And for example, this AI has assigned this box, and this box is about this length. And let's say there is a house here, like barracks, and you have like 6 AIs over here. As soon as the sniper AI sees us and goes hostile, it will send a signal to all the AIs overlapping this area. I'm gonna re-enable the sounds on this guy. For example, now that I have assigned the area trigger to this AI, as soon as he sees me, instantly the AI over here is going to know my location because this AI transferred the information to this other AI. So as soon as he sees me, the other AI goes hostile and they start shooting at me. You can have different settings on the AI as for the shooting range, for example, and you can find those settings in this tab, shooting tab. For example, I want this AI to be really amazing. I'm gonna put the damage to 5 per bullet, 0.1 fire rate, only aim for the head, for example, and it can shoot from, yeah, I'm gonna leave the default, not bullet randomization, so this means this AI is going to melt me instantly. So, but we want to balance this AI, so I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna put the default settings again, and For example, this other AI has a higher range, can shoot from farther away, and we can chain these events actually. For example, this AI has this area trigger and will only alert this AI. But for example, we can copy this AI over here, have this AI using area trigger as well, and picking this area trigger over here. This means that as soon as this AI spots me, goes hostile, instantly sends this one hostile, and this AI gives my location to this AI, and this AI knows my location and sends my location to this other AI. So as soon as I'm spotted, everyone is hostile. So this is really simple as that. Concerning the radius trigger, it's something that I need feedback on, because the way it works now is that, for example, this AI has a call for help and radius trigger on. He sees me, it does nothing. I go back here, and then I go back into visual, and then he sends the alert. But as I said, personally, I like to use area triggers. They're more useful. They're handy, especially if you plan to alert certain areas of the level, or if you want to play hardcore, you just do like this, and every AI in the level is is basically alerted. You can have multiple AIs using the same actor. For example, I'm gonna have this AI over here using area trigger as well, and alerts this AI again. And maybe I'm gonna put this one over here as well. But this one is going on a patrol, so it's going to leave this box, and so this AI sees me, knows my location. This other AI knows my location, and now everyone saw me. So it's really simple to set up the AIs. You can find all the blueprints concerning the AI in your enemy AI. You got the utilities for jumping, the grenades, and everything. You got the voice lines that if you want to use, you can set them up. And you can edit the AI the way you want. You got almost every single parameter that you can change. You got it over here. And you can change the movement speed in all the states, where the AI has to shoot, the fire rate, the ammo, the distance that he has to keep, on which distance he can start firing, if it has to randomize his aiming a little bit, the hostile behavior, the idle and patrol. You got pretty much all you need to configure on your AI on the details panel. But if you want to change anything in particular, or you want to change the code, or you want to change anything at all, you're free to open the blueprint and change whatever you like. But if you have any feedback, if you want things to be different, if you got suggestion for future updates, you just let me know, and I'll try to work on it. Right now I'm working on a dynamic cover system, and possibly it's going to be out in the next update. So this is all for the hostile state, and I'm going to make more videos in the future, and I'm going to talk about other features. So that is all. Thank you.